Up KC does offer customized scheduling. We do provide you to choose the day and the time that you want to have your space cleaned. We will work with the client on their schedule and their budget. We have accounts that we clean once a month, bi-weekly, every other day, and every day. But we're willing to work with you if you need it to be done at least twice a month or a specific time that you want to do it. And we also have our email where you can reach out and change it. We do have accounts that are open 24/7. We do allow them to change it often because since they're open almost every day 24/7, they get to choose if they want somebody to come in the evenings or in the mornings.